Espresso is the fundamental ingredient to every coffee beverage we love, so it has to be good. With your Beanz subscription, you're getting incredible coffees with every delivery, and they need to be dialed in to get the best flavours possible. Hi, I'm from Mecca Coffee. We're a Sydney-based roaster, almost clocking up 20 years in the business, sourcing, roasting and brewing coffees. Today we're dialing in-house on the Bambino Plus with the Breville Smart Grinder. Now, assuming you've already selected the double shot option on the Smart Grinder Pro and placed the single wall double shot basket in the portafilter, we are at the same starting point. Here's what my bar setup looks like from accessories to placement. Pause here if you need a minute to set yourself up for the brew along. At minimum, grab a dry towel. House is our signature blend that we serve at our cafe and roastery in Alexandria, boasting notes of milk chocolate, orange and honeycomb. My grinder is currently set at a 14 and yours may be different, and that's okay. Let's dial in together and later we'll cover things like grind adjustments and dose amount. Remove the portafilter and just dry and wipe it out. I also like to purge the group head for 2 short seconds just to refresh the system, and we'll grind coffee at the same time. Let's start the grind cycle. Press the portafilter and purge. My brew recipe is 18 grams of freshly ground coffee. We are going for 28 to 30 seconds of brew time, and that will yield 38.5 grams of espresso. You can hit the pause button and just settle the basket a smidgen and restart. There we go. It's going to look like you have a lot of coffee, but it's really about 18 grams once you've settled the bed. So let's do that together. I'm just going to move the coffee to the edge like you would settle a cake pan. Grab your tamper, align your wrist and elbow in a straight line as best as you can, and press into the bed until the bed stops moving or pushes back at you. I'm also going to verify the dose and just make sure I don't have too much. Use this handy little razor tool, head over to the knockbox and give it a little shave. If any coffee comes off, nudge it into your knockbox. Now give it one more quick polish. There's no pressure needed on the last one, just a little twist. And I'm ready to brew a shot. Insert the portafilter into the group head, press the double cup button and grab your cup. You shouldn't see the first drops of espresso until around the 7 to 9 second mark. The machine starts at a low pressure and water is moved through the puck up to a high pressure. This is called pre-infusion. This will result in a slow saturation of the bed and a full extraction of sugars, acids, omegas and lipids that make up a delicious espresso. And there it is. That's the shot I was looking for. Okay, give it a little spin. Look at that crema, it's looking delicious. House is our signature blend that we serve at our cafe roastery in Alexandria, boasting notes of milk chocolate, orange and honeycomb. Did your shot look and taste like mine? The number one goal of adjusting the grind is to either slow down or speed up the flow of water running through the coffee bed. Don't be afraid of this step. We can always adjust it back. If the water flow is too fast, the coffee may taste sour. Adjust the grind a couple of notches finer to slow down the water through the bed. If the flow is too slow, the coffee could taste bitter or roasty. Adjust the grind a couple of notches coarser to speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed. Over time, all these steps will become second nature and you'll go from having good coffee sometimes to great coffee every time. Explore all our curated specialty coffees at beanz.com by Breville.